you are probably not using AI the right way. And that's why you are not getting the results you could be getting. Because most people use AI for only one thing. They ask questions and get answers. But AI is much more powerful than that. The smartest people are using AI as their personal assistant, teacher, designer, and learning partner. They are using AI to learn faster, create better content, save time, and build new skills. And the interesting part is, you already have access to these tools, but you might not know how to use them properly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the real power of AI, how to create amazing images, make presentations, learn difficult topics easily, improve your skills, and use AI in your daily life. So stay until the end, because the last few techniques can completely change the way you learn and work with AI. Think about this. A few years ago, if you wanted to learn a new skill, you had to search through hundreds of websites, watch many videos, and spend hours finding the right information. But today, AI has changed everything. Now you have a tool that can explain things, help you create things, and guide you step by step. But there is one big problem. Most people are only using a small part of AI. It's like owning a smartphone, but only using it to make calls. You have a powerful device in your hand, but you don't know what else it can do. The same thing is happening with AI. Most people are only using the tip of the iceberg. They ask simple questions, they copy answers, and they move on. But underneath the surface, there is a much bigger world. AI can help you create. AI can help you learn. AI can help you improve. And in this video, you are going to discover how to use that hidden power. Prompting. Now let's talk about the first and most important skill, prompting. You might be thinking, what is prompting? Simply put, prompting means telling AI exactly what you want. Think about it like talking to another person. If you say, make me something good, the person won't know exactly what you want. But if you say, make me a chocolate cake with less sugar and a simple design, the result will be much better. AI works the same way. Many people think AI gives bad results, but the real problem is their instructions are not clear. For example, if you tell AI, create an image of a person using a computer, AI will create an image. But maybe it won't look like what you imagined, because AI doesn't know who is the person, what age are they, what clothes should they wear, what should the background look like, what emotion should they have. Now look at a better prompt. Create an image of an 18-year-old student sitting in front of a computer, checking exam results, looking nervous, realistic style, modern room background, cinematic lighting. See the difference? The second prompt gives AI more details, and when AI understands your idea better, it can create a much better result. So remember this simple formula. Tell AI what you want, how you want it, what details should be included, and what things should be avoided. This one skill alone can completely change the results you get from AI. AI creativity. Now let's talk about creativity. Before AI, creating professional designs, images, and graphics required a lot of experience. You needed expensive software, you needed design skills, and sometimes you needed an entire team. But today, AI has made creativity easier for everyone. Imagine you have an idea in your mind, but you don't know how to design it. AI can help you turn that idea into reality. For example, the image you are seeing on the screen. It can be created using AI. You can create realistic characters, YouTube thumbnails, social media designs, product images, creative artwork. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional designer. You just need to learn how to explain your idea properly. But remember, AI is not replacing creativity. AI is making creativity faster. The people who learn how to combine their ideas with AI will always have an advantage. AI for students. Now let's talk about students. Because AI is not only for creators or businesses. Students can use AI in powerful ways too. Think about this. You are studying a difficult topic. You read it again and again, but you still don't understand it. Instead of feeling stuck, you can ask AI to explain it like a teacher. For example, explain this topic to me like I'm 10 years old with simple examples. Now, AI will break that difficult topic into simple words. You can also ask, teach me this step by step. Ask me questions to test my knowledge. Create a study plan for me. Explain this concept with real-life examples. This is where AI becomes powerful. It is not just giving you answers, it is helping you understand. But remember one thing, don't use AI to avoid learning. Use AI to make learning easier and faster. AI notes. Now let's talk about another amazing use of AI, creating better notes. Many students have the same problem. They have notes, but those notes are full of long paragraphs, difficult words, and boring explanations. And because of that, studying becomes harder. But what if you could turn those boring notes into something much easier to understand? With AI, you can do that. You can give your notes to AI and ask, convert this information into simple visual notes. Highlight important points and make it easy to remember. AI can help you create simple summaries, visual notes, mind maps, study guides, and easy explanations. Because our brain remembers visual information faster than just reading long paragraphs. For example, instead of reading 10 pages of difficult information, you can turn it into a simple one-page visual summary. This doesn't mean AI will study for you. It means AI will help you study smarter. AI presentation. Now let's talk about presentations. Many people use tools like Canva to create slides, but sometimes creating a good presentation takes hours. Finding the right structure, writing content, designing every slide, it takes a lot of time. But AI can make this process much faster. Imagine you have a topic. Instead of starting from zero, you can tell AI, create a clean professional presentation about this topic. Use simple language and organize it into clear sections. In just a few minutes, you can get a complete presentation structure. You can also use AI with design tools to improve your slides, change the style, add better visuals, make it look more professional. But remember, AI creates the first version. Your ideas and creativity make it better. Learning new skills with AI. Now let's talk about one of the biggest advantages of AI, learning. Today, learning a new skill is easier than ever. Maybe you want to learn video editing, coding, marketing, design, a new language. Before AI, you had to search everywhere, watch different tutorials, and sometimes you didn't know where to start. But now, AI can become your learning partner. You can tell AI, teach me video editing from beginner level. Explain everything step by step and give me practice tasks. Instead of just watching information, you are learning with guidance. AI can explain concepts, give examples, create practice exercises, and help you improve. The people who learn how to use AI for learning will have a huge advantage in the future. AI dependency. Warning. But before going further, there is something important you need to understand. AI is powerful, but you should never become completely dependent on it. AI is a tool. You are the person using that tool. Don't just copy everything AI gives you. Think, question, improve, use your own creativity. For example, if AI gives you an idea for a video, don't just copy it. Add your own experience, your own opinion, your own style. The goal is not to let AI replace your thinking. The goal is to use AI to improve your thinking. AI as your personal assistant. Now imagine having a personal assistant, someone who can help you organize your ideas, plan your work, and guide you whenever you need help. That's how you should start seeing AI, not just as a chatbot, but as your personal assistant. For example, you want to start a YouTube channel. You can ask AI, give me 30 video ideas for my channel. Help me create a content plan. Improve my video title. Give me thumbnail ideas. Instead of spending hours trying to figure everything out, AI can help you create a better process. The more clearly you communicate with AI, the more useful it becomes. AI for creators. Now let's talk about creators. You have probably seen videos online where someone creates realistic AI characters. Someone creates amazing AI images. Someone creates impossible scenes that look real. A few years ago, these things required expensive tools and professional skills. But today, AI has opened creativity for everyone. Creators are using AI for video ideas, scripts, images, thumbnails, research, editing. AI helps creators save time so they can focus more on creativity. But the creators who win are not the ones who simply use AI. They are the ones who know how to use AI creatively. Guided learning with AI. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features of AI, guided learning. Think about traditional learning. You search a topic online. You find many videos. Different people explain it differently, and sometimes you get confused. But with AI, you can create your own personal teacher. For example, you want to learn economics. You can tell AI, teach me economics like a professional teacher. Start from beginner level. Explain with examples. Ask me questions and test my understanding. Now AI will guide you step by step. It can explain, ask questions, find your weak areas, and help you improve. This is much better than just collecting information, because you are actually learning. Active learning with AI. But there is another important method, active learning. Many people learn by only watching videos or reading, but after some time, they forget most of the information. Why? Because they are not actively using their brain. With AI, you can change that. You can tell AI, don't just explain this topic, ask me questions, test my knowledge, and correct my mistakes. Now learning becomes interactive. It feels like you have a teacher who is talking with you, not just giving information. You can use this method for almost anything: coding, editing, business, languages, science, and many more skills. So now you understand, AI is not just a tool for answering questions. AI can help you learn faster, create better, save time, build new skills, and discover new opportunities. But this is only the beginning. AI is growing every single day, and there are still many powerful ways to use it that we couldn't cover in one video. In future videos, I will show you how to create professional AI images, how to use AI for content creation, how to learn skills faster, how to use AI for business and income opportunities. Now I have a question for you. What is the first thing you want to learn or create with AI? Comment. I'm ready to upgrade. I want to know who is ready to improve themselves and use AI in a smarter way. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because more practical AI videos are coming. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.